Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Binary. Today, we're diving into something incredibly cool and useful for all you creators out there. We're going to explore ideogram.ai, a website that helps you create stunning logos and covers from just text. So, let's jump right into it. First, let's head over to ideogram.ai. For this demo, I'm going to type in Infinite Binary and Geek Gamers and see what ideogram.ai comes up with. After entering your text, just hit Generate and let the magic happen. Let's try with Geek Gamers with other options available. It's so easy and intuitive. For covers, we just have to change the aspect ratio to the 16:9. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Infinite Binary and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments if there's any other tool or topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.